Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing great. Today I will show you a simple way to grow Aglaonema snow white plant from cuttings that every new gardener can do it. So friends, without wasting time, let's begin now. So friends, first we have to choose a healthy Aglaonema plant to take a cutting. So I'm going to take this cutting right here, you can see. So it will grow well after taking a cuttings. So remember, use sharp knife or sharp cutter to cut it. Just I'm going to take these cuttings from here. Just check the cuttings now. So next step, we're gonna remove some extra leaves from here. So just you can pull it like this. Just see, it's very easy. So you have to pull some leaves from here. So friends, you can check here. I have removed all the extra leaves now. So I'm going to leave some leaves on the top. So friends, next I'm going to use root hormone. This is optional. If you don't have root hormone, you can just plant it directly to the soil mix. So you'll get this in online store or else in the fertilizer store. It will help to establish the roots faster and prevent from fungus. Just put it in the cut area. So friends, just check, I've put this in the cut area. So next about the soil mix, I've used here coco peat. You'll get this in online store or else in the fertilizer store. And friends, this is perlite. This too, you'll get this in online store or else in the nursery. So if you don't have perlite and coco peat, you can use garden soil, but use well-drained soil mix to grow it. Now I'm going to mix it well. So here we go, the soil mix is ready for growing Aglaonema plant, and this is well-drained soil mix. So next I'm going to use this pot. You can check here, it has got many drainage holes. So if you are growing any kind of plants cuttings, use a pot with many drainage holes. Just I'm going to put the soil mix here. So before planting, I'm going to make hole so that the root hormone will not remove from the cuttings I have here. Just press it gently now. So remember, use well-drained soil mix to grow it. If you don't have perlite and coco peat, you can use garden soil also. And if you don't have root hormone, you can plant it directly. But using root hormone, you will get more successful result on it. Just check, I have planted now. And next about watering, keep regular watering once a day. Do not let the soil too dry or too wet. So for the first time, put lots of water so that the air gap will remove from the pot. So friends, after planting, place this in indirect sunlight in the bright light locations. It will take 25 to 30 days to establish the roots. For now, I'm going to place this in indirect sunlight in the bright light locations. So friends, these cuttings I have grown 25 days ago using the same process. You can check the cuttings is still healthy. So just I'm going to take this out from the pot and show you the roots. I hope it is rooted. Just I have to take this out gently, not to destroy the roots. Oh my god. So friends, just check the roots here. It has got lots of roots in just 25 days. And now I'm going to repot this using fertilizer and the soil mix. Just check the roots here. So if you want to grow Aglaonema plant in your home, you can use this process. It is the easiest process to grow Aglaonema plant from cuttings. So friends, for repotting, I'm going to use this pot. You can check here. It has got many drainage hole and the soil mix. I have this one. I've used coco peat, perlite, vermicompost, and garden soil. So if you have another soil mix, you can use it, but use well-drained soil mix. First, I'm going to put a soil mix half pot. So you can check here, I have put half of the pot with soil mix. So just I'm going to repot it now. Just plant it gently, not to destroy the roots, remember. So I'm going to add more soil mix. I will use the same soil mix here. So if you're growing Aglaonema plant and repotting Aglaonema plant, use well-drained soil mix to grow it. So you can check how it is ready. So just I'm going to water it now. So after repotting, put lots of water so that the air gap will remove from the pot. So from next, keep 3 to 4 times a week of water. Do not overwater it. So friends, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please press the like button and please don't forget to subscribe. Press the notification bell for more gardening videos. Until then, friends, thank you for watching. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye bye.